Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again, and what I'm doing today, I've got the side beds where the fence is. There was a bit of a bed there which I've just widened it a bit, so I've got all, you can see there was all stinging nettles and all that from my neighbours, so they're not taken care of. It's mostly on their side, so what I've done, I've got it down right up to the fence, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting some Gladioli bulbs down there and some bee seeds, and then seeing what that comes at. So what I'm going to try and do is just see if I can get the bees once I start planting. Most of these are going to be covered with netting or plastic for the time being, but if I can get something what attracts the bees to pollinate the plants, then that will be an added bonus to me. So what I'm going to do, I've done this section here at since I come this morning. I've used my digging hoe that does it quicker, so all I have to do is just swing and pull. So that's what I've been doing since morning. So I'm going to carry on with the rest. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments about the past videos or any upcoming videos that you want to see us do anything, please let me know. We'll see if we can get hold of it and give everything a try. We're here to work together and to grow this channel together, so hoping that everyone comes on board now and we can start moving on the way we want to. There's a few upcoming videos where you see me plant different things. So I've got the greenhouse up, I haven't put nothing in there yet, but I'm going to start bringing stuff down and putting in there. And I've got the DIY polytunnel what I've started. I just got to measure that up for the cover now. I was going to put a thin polythene cover, but I think I have to put the same sort of cover what's on the greenhouse over it so that it's more stronger. So bear with us today, and I'll be back with you in a minute once I'll sort out the seeds. I'll show you what seeds I'm going to be putting down here. Everybody, so I've dug up that, so these are what I'm going to be planting. It's a seed mixture called butterfly and bee mixture. My daughter gave me these. I don't know if there's a lot in them. I think she got them with something that she ordered. One's called bee saving flowers and seeds. Yeah, so that's what they are, butterfly and bee. Those are what I'm going to be sprinkling along, and hopefully those will come through. And also, don't know if these are still good, but I'm going to plant them anyway. I've got a big bag of Gladioli bulbs, what I'm going to be planting also down there as well. So hopefully these will come through in between them, and then if I can get them to flower, and then they'll be there all the time. So they're Gladioli bulbs. I don't know what colour, if they're mixed colour or what, but I'm going to plant those as well. So bear with us, and I'm going to get some of these in the ground. What I'll have to do later on, I'm going to have to get maybe some weed killer and spray these rest of stinging nettles. Hopefully that'll get rid of them. I'm going to carry on with that. Every time you come down the allotment, you always forget something, so I have to go back to this again to plant the bulbs, which is just I keep forgetting to bring the digging spade, and I went there this morning and just looked at it and forgot to pick it up, so I just have to carry on with this, otherwise you don't get nothing done. So bear with me, I'll be back with you in a minute. Everyone, so I've peeled one back to see what they're like, and you can see they're really dry. So I don't know if I should have soaked these overnight, or I'm not sure if they're going to grow or anything, but I'm going to still plant them in between. If they grow, they grow. If they don't, I've had these for quite a while in my conservatory, so that's why I think they're so dry. But I think once the water hits them, can see they're really dried out. But I'm still going to plant them. So I'm just digging a little hole. I'm just going to drop them in upside down. Then I'll cover them over afterwards. Not planting them in rows or anything, I'm just planting them so that if anything else comes up, it comes up between. I think once the water hits them, or once they get soaked, they should be alright. You can see I've got a big bag of them. Because the other seeds are going to be in between. So hopefully these are cluster and then come up between the others. So I'm going to do that, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got my Gladiolis in this section. Just put them sporadically, I don't row them up or anything, although it might look like it is. Just going to see what these seeds are like, or if you get a lot in a packet or what. You hardly get anything in them, so that's what you get in a packet. Whether they grow or not, I won't know, so I just sprinkle them out. And hopefully, I think you're going to need a lot more than that. When you get these packets, remember you don't get a lot. Well, there were free gifts, so I wasn't expecting there to be much in them anyway, but they could have done a little bit better than this. This one's got a little bit more. Just sprinkle them out and hopefully they'll grow along with the Gladiolis. So that's that. Got some of my Epsom salt. So that's my Epsom salt. Got my chicken manure pellets. Sprinkle some of those over as well. Later on, if I want to put some more things in there, if I don't see them come through, then I can always put other bulbs in there. If you go like to the pound shop or something, you can always get bulbs cheap. I put Epsom salt in already. I'm going to put some fish blood, fish and bone in there. Sprinkle some of that over as well. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to lightly cover this over. So I'm just going to use my hands, I'm not going to use anything else. And just cover it over like that. Your seeds are covered and everything's covered already. You don't want to disturb anything, so you just filling in the holes and everything like that. That's how I've done that bed. Now, next thing what I'm going to do, just going to water that in, give that a good soaking, because we're meant to be dry all week, so they're going to need watering. So I'm going to do that. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. I've only got another couple of sections to do. Then once I've done that, I can get everything done and planted in. Then soon we'll be at our planting season. You can gonna see what I plant in these beds and what we've grown on already. I think I've shown you some of the things that we started, some of the things that are different. Just wait till the aeroplane's gone past. Let my cameraman show you it. That's how low they're flying. So they're gonna be landing, so that's why we get a lot of noise up here. But we just carry on doing what we're doing, otherwise if you don't, then you're not going to be doing anything every time you come up here. So that's one bed done. I'm not going to show you the rest of the stuff what I'm going to do do. So just carry on watching the channel, press the notification bell so that you get noticed when we drop new videos, and hopefully we can grow the channel to where it should be. New subscribers are coming on board, but we need you not only to watch but subscribe also. Then we will build a channel a lot quicker and get more things done and more suggestions and things coming in. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.